Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. We had covered two videos on the HTML, the basic or introduction part we had covered. If you haven't gone through with these, you can firstly go for these. I had given the links of those videos into the description below. You can search out this and you can go for that. So let's start. In this video we will be introduced how we can pick a image from to the HTML. So let's start. So firstly go to the notepad, write down the HTML body tag. In body tag you have to write down the img tag. Img is used for the image. You have to mention the source of the image and closing of the image. So you have to mention the path of the image in between of that. So wherever you have the image, you can mention the image here. So I have the image in this folder. So suppose I have this video, so I have to copy this path of the folder. So right click on this, copy this path, and my image is this 17 image which is of PNG file. So firstly I copy this path, and then after I will mention the name of the image which is the 17 and the type is the PNG. So here I copy paste the path / image name which was the 70 and the PNG file. Save this file. I save to the desktop. Mention the name. So suppose I mention the name which is the manish.html and all files, and save this file. Close this, open the Manish file. So open into any browser. So open it to the Google Chrome. So let it be open. It will take some time. So see, it's showing the image on the HTML page. It's too big, that's I cannot see it. So what I have to do, adjust the height and width of this image. So we have the attribute height is equal to 200, width I can mention 300. So any height or width you want, you can set. Save this file and refresh this HTML file. So see, image is adjustable according to my height and width, whatever the height width I want. Then after I have to create a link. So anchor tag is used to make the links. So suppose I have to create the Google link here. So whenever I will be click on this Google link, I will be redirected to http://www.google.com. Save this and refresh the page. See, it's showing the Google link here. When I will click on this, it will be redirected to the google.com. So this is how we can redirect to another page. But the thing is that it's open the link into the same tab, but I want this link to be opened into this new tab. So for doing this I required a extra code, or I have to write down the attribute of the links. So what I have to write, I have to mention the target, which is the blank file. Save this one and refresh the code. When I will click on this Google button, it will be open the Google into the new tab. This is how we can implement the link on the new tab. Then after some more tabs, so address tag is used to mention that address, whatever the address you have, suppose 94/100 Pratap Nagar, closing of the address. Let's refresh. So it's showing the address into the stylish format, similar to the italic. Then after, blockquote is used whenever we create a new paragraph. I can use the blockquote. Refresh. So see, it's showing space in front of the paragraph. So whenever we will start a new paragraph, it's taking some space. We can adjust this space using the CSS. Then after, Q tag is used to mention a text into the double quotes. Refresh this, it's showing the text into the double quotes. So these are some things you keep remember, and your page will be good looking and feel. Suppose you have to write down 10's power 2. So superscript is used. Mention the 2 into the superscript. It will show you the result like this, 10 raised to the power 2. Suppose you have to write down the log 10. So subscript is used for mention the subscript. So 10 is mentioned into the subscript. Refresh and showing the result. So this is how we can implement the simple HTML tags. So in this video we had covered the image, the links, address tag, blockquote, double quotes, superscript and subscript. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel so that you will get more updates from our side. Thank you very much.